Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we're going to study about laboratory tests, lab tests. We will discuss some lab tests today. So usually when you go to visit a doctor, he asks you or he prescribes you some laboratory test before going for any further procedure. So mostly for the initial analysis, they prescribe CBC more oftenly. So today we would study about CBC. We would discuss or we would put some light on CBC. So what is CBC? CBC refers to complete, C for complete, B for blood, and C for count. So, a complete blood count. CBC, the full form of CBC is complete blood count. It helps to find a wide variety of complications going on within the body. The panel of CBC includes white blood cells, blood indices, HbHCT or hemoglobin and hematocrit, platelet or DLC or differential count. So let's study a bit more about these panels. So white blood cells contains or it includes neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, lymphocyte, and monocytes. I am repeating, white blood cells contains neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, lymphocytes, and monocytes. White blood cells actually protect you against disease. They fight with bacteria and viruses. These granules or granulocytes or non-granulocytes fight with viruses or bacteria that enters your body. So now, what is blood indices? Blood indices includes red blood cells, MCV, MCH, and MCHC. RBC or red blood cells helps to take oxygen to the red blood cells. What is mean corpuscular volume? MCV means mean corpuscular volume. Mean corpuscular volume measures the average size of the red blood cells. I am repeating, MCV refers to mean corpuscular volume and it measures the average size of red blood cells. Now MCH. What is MCH? MCH is mean corpuscular hemoglobin. It measures the average amount of hemoglobin within a red blood cells. It measures the average amount of hemoglobin in red blood cells. The fourth one is MCHC, mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration. What is MCHC? It is mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration. It refers to the average concentration of hemoglobin inside a group of red blood cells. It refers to the average concentration of hemoglobin inside a group of red blood cells. So it was all about blood indices. CBC's panel include white blood cells, which includes neutrophil, eosinophil, basophils, lymphocyte, monocytes, and they fight with the viruses and bacteria that invades your body, and they are very important for the immune system. Secondly, the panel of CBC include blood indices. Blood indices includes RBC, MCV, MCH, and MCHC. RBCs carry oxygen to the red blood cells. Mean corpuscular volume measures the size of the red blood cells. Mean corpuscular height measures the average amount of hemoglobin within a red blood cells, and mean corpuscular height hemoglobin concentration. It refers to the average concentration of hemoglobin in a group of red blood cells. Apart from that, CBC panel include hemoglobin hematocrit, platelets, and DLC. What is DLC? DLC is a differential count. It measures the percentage of each type of leukocytes. It measures the percentage of each type of leukocyte present in a cell. So here our today's topic ends. Thank you so much for listening.